Today's objective is to use the order of operations. So our objective is to use order of operations to simplify problems. Okay, and the order of operations is PEMDAS, or please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, whichever way you remember it. Okay, so let's talk about each of these things. P stands for parentheses. Okay, so P stands for parentheses, but what it also stands for is other grouping symbols. Other grouping symbols that can be used are brackets, braces, absolute value, and a fraction bar. Okay, so let's talk about this absolute value for a minute. So I'm going to come over here to the side and show you. Absolute value is those straight up and down lines, like the absolute value of -3 is 3 because it's a distance from 0. So absolute value of -3 is 3 because it's a distance from 0. So the absolute value of 4 is 4 because it's 4 away from 0. So that's all absolute value is. The E stands for exponents. The M stands for multiply. The D stands for divide. Now these two things, these multiply and divide, they have to be done from left to right. So sometimes you'll be dividing before you multiply because you're going to go left to right. An example of where that happens is this, 12 divided by 4 times 2. 12 divided by 4 times 2. You work left to right because it's just multiply and divide. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. And then the A is add, and the S is subtract. And again, just like multiply and divide, you work from left to right. So again, sometimes you'll subtract before you add. So for example, if I have 10 minus 3 plus 2, I do 10 minus 3 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. So it has to go left to right. Okay, so let's do some problems. Problem number 1. So here's problem number 1. So order of operations says start with parentheses, so I'm going to do this set and this set at the same time. So this becomes 9 squared divided by 3 minus, this becomes 3 times 2. My next step is my exponents. So 9 to the second power means 9 times 9. 9 times 9, not 9 times 2. So it's 9 times 9, which is 81, divided by 3 minus 3 times 2. Now I multiply and divide from left to right, so I'm going to divide 81 by 3, comes out to be 27, and I'm going to multiply 3 times 2, which is 6. So 27 minus 6 is 21. So let's do another one, number 2. 5 squared plus 6 plus 4 squared minus 12 divided by 4. Okay, so order of operations says do parentheses first. So I do 6 plus 4. So 5 squared plus 10 squared minus 12 divided by 4. Next step in order of operations is exponents. So 5 squared, 5 times 5 is 25. 10 squared, 10 times 10 is 100. So I've got add, subtract, divide. So of those three, the most important one is divide. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So 25 plus 100 divided, or minus 3. 25 plus 100 is 125. 125 minus 3 is 122. Okay, so that's how you do order of operations.